Good morning and happy 4th of July. So today I'm going to bring you along with all the many things that I have scheduled for myself. Wade unfortunately is at work. He just left. No worries, you will see him, but he doesn't get to join in on all the festivities at my grandmother's house and stuff that I have planned for the day. But I will have him some goodies and just some stuff for later. So what is it? You want to come sit? You want to come up here? Remy wanted to join in. We're outside enjoying the morning with my coffee before I have to get started with the day, and I'm gonna let this guy play, but he just wants to be up here with me, so I've already been ridiculously busy. I have watered my tomatoes. I picked some tomatoes and my basil plant, and then I worked out. Remy joined me on that as well. I tidied up the house a little bit and got the vlog ready. I got ready. Now I'm about to finish my coffee so we can get the day started. Bye, Remy. Love you. Alright, I just got back into my car. I drove over to my mom's. She's not feeling too good. She had surgery last week and she broke her foot, not related with the surgery she had. So she's kind of feeling rough, and I wanted to bring her brunch, make her brunch at her house this morning, so that's what I did. I didn't bring the camera inside just because. So now I'm about to head to my grandmother's where we are going to celebrate for the 4th for this afternoon, and yeah, let's go. I mean, like, I need a shower after just walking out here. I started on my banana pudding that I'm making. I told Wade I was going to make him banana pudding, and so I started on that, and I'll finish it in just a minute whenever it sits in the fridge for about an hour. And I don't know, I guess help whatever my mom needs me to help with until people show up. A man and his dog. Hey! Hey! Hey, buddy! Hey! Oh, goodness! You silly! You silly! Hey! Hey, baby!
Hello.
What you doing out here?
I'm on snake watch out.
Snake watch out?
Yeah, I think I saw a snake earlier when I was spraying around the shed go under that wood, and I can't find it. I found a lizard.
Kidding me?
Found a big lizard. So I'm confused if I saw the snake or the lizard.
You better kill it.
I gotta find it first.
Well, we better have a dead snake today. You put all the things out after. I see all the mothballs out.
Yeah.
Got you some banana pudding.
That's all. Thank you.
Yeah. It was a hit, so hopefully you enjoy it.
I'm sure I will.
Remy, are you on snake duty? Are you watching the snakes? You gonna get them with that, what is that, a rake? What is it called?
Yeah, it's a rake.
That's not a rake.
That's a rake?
Oh, it's not a normal size rake.
Well, it's a metal rake. It's not a plastic rake.
Remy, are you gonna get those snakes?
It was a rake or a shovel once. I don't have a garden hoe.
We need a sling blade.
I got a shotgun. I can go blast it.
You're just so beautiful. You are. You're beautiful.
Let's go take a gander.
No, let's not. Okay, I'm gonna go.
You don't want to come over here with me?
No, I'm terrified. Come on, baby. Come on, this way, Remy. Let's go over here. Let's not go with Dad. Let's go over here. Don't get bit, babe. I can't save you. Come on, let's get on the porch. Let's get on the porch. Okay, so I come home and Wade's on snake duty, as you hear. I hate snakes. Like, it's like my biggest fear. He's like moving. He's got wood piled up on the side of the shed. And the snake is either under the shed, under the wood, or now in my shed at this point. But he's like banging stuff. He said he's been banging and like moving wood around to try to get it to like come out so he can just chop it up. Sorry for all you snake lovers, but we don't like snakes. And I don't want snakes around here. So he just put out like 5 boxes of mothballs around the shed. Ugh. Oh, he's freaking me out. I'm pretty sure he has sandals on too. Do you have sandals on?
Yeah.
Remy just thinks that we're playing a game. Like, he's literally laying up here thinking that, I don't know, we're like planning something fun. Remy, what are we doing? I'll let you know if we find a snake, or if Wade finds a snake, 'cause I'm gonna be on the porch or in the house. Are we going on a walk, Remy? Hello? Are we going? It's a couple hours since we were looking for a snake. We actually took a nap, so we decided that if we didn't get up, we weren't going to get up for the rest of the night. We decided to take Remy on a walk. There's some kids like throwing like pop things over here close to the track, so that's interesting. And you hear it? But it's so pretty out. And it's not humid at all. Probably a perfect time for a run. No, we'll do that in the morning. You just laid on my foot. Go get Dad. Go get Dad. He's over there. Go get him. Go get him. Come on, Remy. Let's go. Come on, Remy. So I guess we're going to have heated up, well, Wade's gonna have heated up burgers. I'm not really hungry after a late lunch. And they're out checking if the snake is come out. I don't know. So Wade brought these home. This is probably the 3rd time he's brought these home. Oh my gosh, he's gotta stop because it's like the top layer of a brownie with like chocolate chunks in it. If you guys find these, don't buy them because they are amazing. Oh my gosh, they're so good. And if you like coconut milk, dip them in that because it's just dreamy. Why are you so handsome? You gonna get the fire ready for us? So it looks like we're going to make a fire and use some marshmallows that I have had because I was craving them months ago. Hopefully they're still good. They haven't been opened yet. So roast some of those, just me because Wade won't. He may eat one, probably not. They're kind of sticky. crazy tongue. Oh, it's so melty.
Remy, you can't have any of this banana pudding. Smells really good. Back. Mmm.
Was it really good?
This is really good.
Can I have like a baby bite?
No.
I'll make you more. You gotta come over here.
I can't get up. This is the only jar you brought home?
No, I got 2 others for you. And
so.
I'm not gonna eat them. I left the rest at my mom's and I said I'd make you some more if you really liked it. So sweet. Hey! You wanna go see some fireworks? Let's go outside. Let's see if we can see them. Alright guys, it is the end of the day and we are ready to get in bed. It is late and we're exhausted. It has been super fun, very productive, relaxed type 4th of July. Very different. We had a lot of fun with family, or I had a lot of fun with my family, and I had a really good time with Wade and Remy tonight. We heard a lot of fireworks. We didn't see any fireworks whenever it got dark, but we heard a bunch. When I was in the shower though, Wade did, I think, get some good footage of some fireworks. So if that showed up, I will put it in at the very end, and if not, oh well. But we have lots of more adventures coming up. Tomorrow we will be vlogging, and we're both off of work for the holiday, so yeah, catch back with us. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and like this video if you do. It makes us feel really good whenever you let us know that you enjoyed. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.